What's up? Oh my god. What's up, guys? I'm in my closet right now. I'm just gonna put you right there, guys. I'm gonna show you this one first. So this one. It's really weird, but it's slime and it's really sticky. So, and the beads can come off, but it's still good. Okay, let's go down to the next one. This one I don't want to take out, but I'll show you. It's pink. In the camera it looks like it's really light pink, but it's actually really dark pink. Looks prettier in camera, but it's actually not that pretty, but it's just the color is so pretty on camera. Okay. I was like, maybe I should mix these two.